right? Coming to fourth question, right? It's a geometry question, clearly straight lines related question. Whenever geometry question is there, first of all read the question carefully and draw a diagram and represent whatever they had given. Then you will get almost all 60% of the question will be solved, right? Now let's see what is given here. Let a point A lies between two parallel lines L1 and L2. Okay, so there are two parallel lines here. Let us say this is L1 and this is L2. Two parallel lines are there, right? Now a point A lie between the parallel lines such that it is at a distance 6 units from one line and 3 units from other line. So that means the distance between both the parallel lines is 9 units, right? Let us say I will mark A over here. It is 6 and it is 3, right? Then area of equilateral triangle ABC where the points B and C lies on L1 and L2. Okay, now you need to form a equilateral triangle such that A and B lies on, sorry, B and C lies on the lines. So let us say B is over here and C is over here. Okay, now this is our equilateral triangle. Now you need to find area of this equilateral triangle. Very simple question. I think most of you have solved this kind of question before, right? So as it is an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Let me mark this one. Okay, so what I will do is I will use simple trigonometry to solve this question. Let me say this angle is alpha. Now this total is 180. So can I say this is 120 minus alpha, this angle, right? Because 180 minus 60 minus alpha, 120 minus alpha. Now what I say is, let us say I will consider this is M and this is N. Now in triangle A, B, M, I will say is an equilateral triangle. You can assume the side length as some a, small a, right? So in triangle ABM, cos alpha equals to, cos alpha means this is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent side. So that is 6 by A, right? Similarly in triangle ANC, cos alpha or cos, the angle is not alpha, 120 minus alpha. So cos 120 minus alpha equals to 3 by A. Now using these two equations we can solve the question. So I can expand this one, cos 120 cos alpha plus sin 120 sin alpha equals to 3 by A. So cos 120 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Cos alpha we already know 6 by A plus sin 120 root 3 by 2. Sin alpha we can get it from cos alpha, as cos alpha is 6 by A, sin alpha is root of 1 minus cos square alpha, which is nothing but root of 1 minus 36 by A square. Substitute over here, root of 1 minus 36 by A square equals to 3 by A. Now take this to that side. So you will be getting root 3 by 2 into root A square minus 36 by A is equals to 18 by, sorry, 3 by A, 3 by A, this will be cancelled, 3, 3, you will get 6 by A. So this A is going to cancel now. So 3 times of A square minus 36 equals to 12 square 144. So you can say 4 times 24, 8 times 48. So A square equals to 36 plus 48, you will be getting 84. So A square is 84. Now the question asked is area of triangle. So area of equilateral triangle we already know, root 3 by 4 A square. So the answer is root 3 by 4 into 84. So which is 21 root 3. So the answer is 21 root 3. Done.